these lockdown situations has taught us many lessons, and patience being the biggest one. And this patience has been the greatest one with the people called teachers at Edify World School, Dehradun, who have put in their heart and soul in conducting the virtual classes, wherein they faced many problems initially, but they have been managing it so well throughout. They have not been even teaching, not only teaching their students, but at the same time, there have been many parents who have been sitting next to them, and managing both the parents and the children at the same time is really hats off to them. I would like to mention that the real aim of education is the all-round development of the personality, and the teachers at Edify World School Dehradun have been paying attention to both scholastic as well as the non-scholastic aspects. They have been conducting various competitions like Quiz India, which is being the biggest one quiz, which is being conducted on Sunday, and these teachers have been working even on Sundays during these hard times. Apart from quizzes, they've been conducting various competitions like drawing competition, painting competition, art competition, as well as intra-class and inter-class competitions, which includes the storytelling, model making, and all. So we are actually blessed beyond to have these amazing people called teachers who have put in their unprecedented efforts in these unprecedented times. So really salute and hats off to these teachers who've been very enthusiastically, dedicatedly putting their soul and heart in conducting and teaching our students throughout. School have been closed throughout the year, but the learning continued from the very beginning.